Namaste friends. Hello dosto. Mudita Naari is back with some more beautiful colors. It has been 9 months since I posted my last video. I posted my last video on the last day of December 2017. Since then, some changes have taken place in my life. Some that I made and some changes that just happen. Inevitable. Anyhow, back to this video. This video that I made today is about how I've personalized one of my bag. I recently bought this bag from Sainsbury's for £8. Original price was £16. I'm someone who likes to personalize my snip, and as you can see, what I've done here is I've tied one of my old and unemployed necklace on the handle of this bag. So let's talk about the ingredients that requires to create this look. Hard to guess, right? Of course, one necklace and one scissor. I've used necklace similar to that and a scissor. So what I've done is the meeting point of 2 strings, I've chopped it off, and I've also removed this red ball to separate the strings. So it looks like this. These strings are a bit twisted and turned because I've untied it from the bags that was tied on. So let's begin. I'm going to tie this string on this handle and that string on that handle. First thing, let us wrap this string around the handle and try to take the end of the string from underneath as shown in here. So that will create a knot and make a little bit of a pattern when you complete on both the side like this. And this leftover of the end bit, I'm going to leave it as it is, but you can use glue gun to stick this. So it's all done. My bag wearing my beautiful necklace. What do you think of this finished product, my friends? Please do let me know. Leave your comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Till the next video, take care, look after yourself. Aujo. Bye.